All right, let's tackle rotational motion. And trust me, by the end of this, it's all going to make perfect sense. You've seen this, right? A figure skater speeds up just by pulling her arms in. How does that work? I get it. Rotational motion feels super intimidating. All those Greek letters, it feels like a whole new language.
But here's the secret. If you get basic linear motion, you actually already understand all of this.
See? Every single linear concept has a rotational twin. It's just a direct one-to-one translation. Let's start with mass. Its rotational version is the moment of inertia. It's just an object's resistance to spinning.
But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about how much mass, but where that mass is. That little r squared in the formula is the key. Distance from the center matters a whole lot.
So what about force? Its rotational cousin is torque. You can just think of it as a twist.
You know this intuitively. Try opening a door by pushing near the hinge. It's super hard, right? Pushing on the handle gives you way more torque with the exact same amount of force. It's just easier.
And that brings us to momentum. In the spinning world, it's called angular momentum, an object's quantity of rotation.
Now this is crucial. With no outside interference, that quantity of rotation, that angular momentum, never changes.
So let's go back to our skater. With this new info, we can finally solve the puzzle. With her arms out, her mass is spread out. That means high inertia. When she pulls them in, her inertia drops.
And since momentum must be conserved, the before state has to equal the after state. It's that simple.
So if her inertia goes down, her spin speed has to go way up to keep everything balanced.
And look, this idea works for everything. Even these complex-looking equations are just simple swaps. So the strategy is simple.